You've been told your whole life that dogs have the best sense of smell. What if I told you that's a lie? For a long time, we believed dogs were the champs because they have more scent receptors overall. But recent research found the ultimate secret weapon. It comes down to a special receptor called V1R, which is responsible for telling different scents apart. Humans only have 2 of them. Dogs have a respectable 9. But cats, they have an incredible 30. So, while a dog is great at detecting a smell, a cat is a master at distinguishing what that smell is. They're the real scent detectives. Follow for more animal myths busted.